Students, you know that agriculture was the main occupation in villages. Now we'll see village economy. Agriculture was the backbone of self-sufficient rural economy. Artisans produced goods and rendered service to the local people. The farmers, in return, gave a share of agricultural produce, baluta, to the artisans. Trade and business. Maharaj knew that kingdom does not prosper without an increase in trade. Prosper means here wealthy because trade brings wealth. As per Maharaj, in Ajnapatra, merchants are the ornaments of the kingdom and glory of the king. Means they gave too much importance for trade. Maharaj charged heavy duty on imported goods, thus protecting the local industries such as salt industry in the Konkan. The military organization. Infantry and cavalry were the two main divisions of the army. Havaldars and Jumledars were the officers, and Sarnobat was the highest officer of the army. Shiledars and Bargirs were the cavalrymen, and Sarnobat was the highest officer of cavalry. Intelligence Department. Intelligence Department collected precise and timely information about the movements of the enemy and submitted to Maharaj. Bahirji Naik, the head of the intelligence department. Means Bahirji Naik was the head of the intelligence department. The movement of enemy was submitted to Maharaj by Bahirji Naik. Gave accurate and detailed information about Surat before raid. Means Bahirji Naik, he gave accurate and detailed information about Surat before they raid. Forts. Forts were of great importance in the medieval age. Forts helped to keep an eye on the surrounding areas, protected people against foreign invention means here attack, and help in stocking food grains, ammunition, etc. There were about 300 forts in the Swaraj. Killedar, Sabnis, and Karkhanis were the official on every fort. Seaforts. Do you know the name of any seaforts? Yes, Sindhudurg. Maharaj knew the importance of seaforts. He built Sindhudurga fort at Malvan on the west coast. He built Padmadurga near Rajapur to overshadow the Rajapur of the Siddhi. Navy. To curb the activity of the enemy, curb means to keep the watch. To curb the activities of the enemies and to protect the west coast, Maharaj raised a navy. He realized that to control the sea, it is necessary to have a navy. Navy consisted of 400 ships, like means name of that ships were Gurrab, Galbat, and Pal battleship. Ships were built at the creek of Kalyan, Bhivandi, Vijayadurga, and Malvan. Mayank Bhandari and Daulat Khan were the chief naval commanders. Now, next point, concern for the welfare of his subjects. Subjects means here his people. To main The main objective of Maharaj was to make his subjects independent, means they will not depend on anyone. He was aware that for the subjects to enjoy freedom, disciplined administration, comprehensive care of people, and protection of conquered territory was necessary. Means Shivaji Maharaj was aware for his people to enjoy freedom, means they will get the freedom, as well as disciplined administration will be there, and he also take care of the people and protect them. Maharaj was a watchful administrator who cared for his people's welfare.